we wanted to create a game that paid homage to our university degree. This game is inspired by our years of computer science efforts going through first year, second year, and third year. So throughout the game, you'll actually see quite a number of references to our degree. We even included our lecturers in there as well.
And I worked on the core of the engine and level design for level 2 and the hub. So for the core of the engine, I created a standalone editor. This allows us to interactively and visually create these levels. So what we can do with this editor is set spawn points for our players, our characters, NPCs, anything like that. And then it allows us to also tweak and change things in real time without actually hard coding anything. So with the editor, say we set the spawn point of an enemy, we can also change its patrol points and export this as a JSON file.
Level 1 is a reference to our first year in computer science, where we did intro to programming and data structures and algorithms. It's centered around a biomechanical binary tree that's failing, to which the player has to collect nodes scattered around the level, which are blocked by certain obstacles and puzzles. Puzzles such as placing blocks.
The aspect that set the game apart was our custom real-time lighting system for large-scale objects. It was what allowed us to create complex effects like the moving binary matrix and the giant eye in the sky. I specifically worked on key environmental and atmospheric lighting effects. This included creating realistic flames on the walls and realistic lightning strikes. My favorite part was definitely the lightning for the magical plant with its fireflies. It was rewarding to create a small, beautiful moment of light that contrasted with the game's other intense effects, like the flame and giant eye.
To actually start us off with Prabesh speaking, which ties in with Muaz's sounds manager. This actually introduces the level in a very cinematic way, showing you the player, showing you the snake, showing you that there's a big boss in this level. So yeah, all of that had to use the free camera which Sufyan built, and basically all of these tie in really nice together because I was able to use that same cinematics manager on level 3 and anywhere else around the gameplay to make anything else work.
So what we did was we used a parody of their voices trained on voice software to replicate their voices, and it actually sounds pretty good in my opinion. In terms of the actual sound design, we try to go with a theme that's a bit sort of fantasy, but also mixed with something that's a bit upbeat.
So I was responsible for level 3. Level 3 is about Brendan giving us the project of the game. So we go around collecting AI models because we're too lazy to actually code. Once we collect all our AI models, we go to the computers in MSL. Once we have the computers, we teleport into a glitched version of level 1 and level 2. In this glitched version, it's almost like a nightmare state where you have to collect real assets. So then once you collect real assets from level 1 and level 2, you come back to level 3 to build the actual game.
I think the gameplay is really quirky, it's really fun, and what we try to do with the Edge was we try to make it something that shouldn't be taken too seriously.
But yeah.